How do I find my reservation on Expedia? So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Expedia application and simply launch the app and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're in the homepage, tap on the trip section at the bottom center of the screen, that is between the search and inbox option. Tap on it. Here you can view your current itineraries. Then select the specific itinerary you want to see. And moreover, you can also go ahead and tap on this Find Your Booking option. And here you can enter your itinerary number, which will be emailed to the specific Gmail account that your account is associated with. And after you enter your itinerary number, you can easily find your booking. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can find your reservation on Expedia. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.